Here's a 2000 Jeep Wrangler. It's a TJ model. It looks like it's in perfect condition because the metal on the outside of the vehicle is galvanized, but the underside has a frame, and the frame is what rots out. The bottom of this vehicle has a very rusty frame, and the transmission is dropping down, and our kids will repair that, and the vehicle will be back on the road and hang in there for a lifetime. What the sandblasting will do is remove all of this double layer of rust. So then when we're done, we can give it a good rust proofing, and it'll last, the repair will last a long time. I like to get rid of that double layer. There's a good chunk there. The rust gets behind there and just keeps going, so we want to stop all that. Then we're going to cut the frame about halfway up to get rid of all the rot that's on the bottom here. A little yellow Jeep here, TJ 2000, is going to go from the bay over here. We've inspected the vehicle, and we're going to bring it over to our sandblasting bay, which is over on this side. And that's where the rust is going to be sandblasted clean. So it'll end up being a better job. Here that will repair the middle of a Jeep where the skid plate attaches. The original frame rots out on the bottom, the whole thing drops down, so we make this kit that you go up about halfway up on a frame, you cut away the bottom of it, and this would slide over the frame and it would weld along the top.